Today's video we will see how to fix the Greenworks battery not charging, blinking red light and battery reset. Fix 1. Check the power outlet. So plug the charger directly into a wall outlet and avoid using an extension cord or power strip. Test the outlet with another electrical devices and make sure the charger power cable is properly connected. Fix 2. Let the battery reach room temperature. A Greenworks battery may not charge when it is extremely hot or cold. Remove the battery from the charger and leave it indoors at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. Once it has cooled down or warmed up, try charging it again. Fix 3. Inspect and clean the terminal. Dirt or draft can prevent a proper connection, so unplug the charger and inspect the metal terminal on the battery and charger. Now clean them gently with a soft dry cloth and check for bent, burnt, corded or damaged contacts. Now insert the battery firmly until it's fully seated. Fix 4. Reset the charger. So remove the battery from the charger and unplug the charger from the wall and wait for 1 to 10 minutes and plug the charger directly into the outlet. Now reinsert the battery firmly. The fix 5. Check the charger light. Blinking green, the battery is charging. Solid green, the battery is fully charged. Blinking or solid red, the battery may be too hot, too cold, or incorrectly installed or faulty. Next, no light. The outlet power cord or charger may have a problem. The fix 6. Confirm voltage compatibility. So Greenworks produce different battery platforms including 24 volt, 40 volt, 60 volt and 80 volt. Make sure the charger support your battery voltage. The battery is compatible with the charger series. You are using the original or an official compatible Greenworks charger. Fix 7. Test another battery or charger. If available, test the battery with another compatible Greenworks charger. If another battery charges normally, the original battery is probably faulty. If either battery charge, the charger may be defective. If your battery charge on another charger, your original charger likely needs replacement. And the fix 8. The final fix, contact Greenworks support. The battery may have a damaged cell or internal protecting fault if it continues showing a red error light, does not display any battery indicator light, fails on more than one compatible charger, support charging before reaching full capacity. So goodbye and thanks for watching.